Hello, this is Jamie Reese, Managing Broker with Windermere Northeast, with the first in a series of videos to show you how best to use the market analysis charting tool. In this case, we're going to focus on how to import data into the market analysis tool. We start off with the assumption that you're able to use Matrix, find the properties that are most comparable here. In this case, I've got my client record open, and I've gone in and I've identified those 40 properties that are most comparable for this client. I've checked them all. Okay, you simply need to do that. It's fairly easy to do. It's probably easier to do in this case with 40 listings to select that single line and 50 per page, and then simply go in and select all. Now, I use exports quite a lot, as you can imagine. Some folks, if they haven't used exports before or they don't use it very much, you'll end up with, right down here, you'll end up with like a little triangle, something like this triangle right there, except moving horizontally. If you click on that, that'll expand this little capsule right here, and in there you'll see export. Okay, we click on export, and the next thing that we need to do is we simply need to select the export format that we choose to use. And in this case, we need to use full. We need to use the full export format. We click that, and then we click export. And you need to select save from this dialog. Okay, if you open, it's going to open up a text file and it's going to look like gibberish, but if you click save, it'll open up a dialog here. And in this case, I'm like to organize things by client folder, so I just go into my clients there, I click on the client folder, and then you can give the export a name, or you can just leave it in the full as the standard default name there. So we click save. I'm just going to replace the export that exists, and then we click close. We don't need to open the folder, nor do we need to open the file. So we click close here, and now we would navigate over to that client folder, or most likely to wherever you have a copy of your charting tool. I encourage you to keep a centralized copy of the charting tool and then simply copy and paste it into each of your client folders so you can create individual tools for each one of them so that their charting is unique. In this case, you can easily go in if you choose to and modify the file name. It's not going to hurt anything, and it's going to help you stay organized. So all I had to do there is click rename and type in their name into the front of the file, and now we've got a file that is unique to them. So we simply double click on the file here, and this is going to bring up the program. And this program again is based on, you need to have either Outlook, or excuse me, not Outlook, Excel, Microsoft Office 2007 or Microsoft Office 2010. So we go back and we simply highlight the program here, and to import the data, we just click the import data button, and we go out there and find that file that has been exported. We click on it or double click on it, and it'll automatically import. Now, this is a good time to contemplate any changes that you might want to make here. You can see that I've populated my information into the agent name, company, and title. You can easily change those. Important caveat for this entire tool: only type into the areas that have that are highlighted yellow. If you type into any of the other areas that are not highlighted yellow, you're going to potentially cause problems. And I would also tell you to only enter in information on the tabs that are highlighted blue. These blue and yellow areas are those that where your input is going to make a difference. Everything else, the ones that are black and the ones that are red, again, if you enter into information, if you start typing in information, you're probably going to cause problems. So there you go. There's the analysis on how to import data into this tool. For more information, support, and to get your questions answered, visit MACharts.com. Thanks for watching.